Is this me?
Your name will come up on the board.
It's me.
Good afternoon, Dr. Surgery. How can I help?
Is this me?
Right.
Excuse me, are you Brian King?
Yes, I'm Brian King.
I think it's your turn.
Thank you.
Brian, are you Brian King?
Yes, I'm Brian King.
Your room's over here.
Okay. I've got appointment 3:50. How long was my turn?
What's your name and date of birth?
It's Brian King, 25th of the 8th, 60.
Oh, yes, Brian, I've got you here. The reason for just with that bit blacked up is you need the nurse to come and get you. Is that right?
Yes.
I'll ring with to the nurse to call you when it's your turn. You have a seat in the room.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you've got your next patient, yeah, Brian King. Yes, can you come again when it's his turn? Okay, thank you.
Is this me?
Don't worry, Brian. Ignore the screen. The nurse will come and get you when it's your turn.
Okay, thank you.
Brian? Brian King?
Yes, I'm Brian King.
Would you like to come with me, please? We're in room 2 today, okay?
Okay, thank you.